Wisconsinites are the reason that our state's economy is such a success. From healthcare workers to first responders, educators and child care workers, local public health officers, our tribal nation partners, grocery store workers, farmers, small business owners, and so many more. But I also want to say tonight that we would not be here as a state without the extraordinary efforts of the Wisconsin National Guard, period. Under the longest Guard activation in Wisconsin state history, the Guard's work began almost on day one of the COVID-19 landing in Wisconsin and continues even today. As fear was spreading across the globe about a new virus, 30 Wisconsinites were stranded aboard a cruise ship for weeks. Our administration, along with Senator Tammy Baldwin, worked to bring them back to Wisconsin. And it was the men and women of our National Guard who greeted these Wisconsinites and welcomed them home. The Guard has also played a key role in our efforts to distribute more than 80 million pieces of personal protective equipment and sanitizing supplies to schools, healthcare workers, first responders, and local law enforcement. They've helped administer tests and support testing sites you likely visited in your community. Additionally, we ranked among the best in the country for getting available COVID-19 vaccine shots in arms, and it's in no small part due to the Guard. They helped distribute more than 1.2 million of the vaccine doses administered as a state, and they've administered more than 230,000 of those vaccines themselves. They've also been on the front lines of defending our country and our democracy in more ways than one. When Wisconsinites were exercising their right to vote, the Wisconsin National Guard was there too. Our Guard members joined our exceptional clerks and election administrators and poll workers to help make sure you could cast your ballot and do it safely. Even now, some Guard members are being trained as certified nursing assistants through our partnership with Madison College to help support our overwhelmed healthcare workers and systems. Really good work. Well, tonight, we are joined by Wisconsin's Adjutant General, Major General Paul Knapp, as well as members from our Wisconsin National Guard, you already know this, they're up in the gallery tonight. Please join me in recognizing these exceptional folks for their service. These folks have stepped up to serve our state time and time again during one of the direst periods of our state's history. And their service has not come without a cost, emotionally, physically, and mentally. Our effort to invest more than $3 million into expanding the Guard's wellness program was gutted from my last biennial budget. It would have increased access to important mental health and wellness support for more than 9,000 Guard members. Well, tonight, I'm announcing I'm going to do it anyway. We're going to invest $5 million to expand access to the Guard's Comprehensive Wellness Office and their services to every single member of the Wisconsin National Guard. This program will provide counseling, resiliency training, and crisis intervention and stress reduction programming to reduce burnout, take care of mental health needs, and prevent suicide and treat substance use disorders for our service members. And I'll tell you right now, this program will have ongoing funding in the budget I'll propose next year, and I'll call on this legislature tonight to join me by ensuring this program receives the long-term sustainable funding it deserves.